Hi friends, welcome to Option Trading ki Duniya. So in this episode, let me present you the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for trading day 30th March 2022. So before I proceed, let me tell my viewers that this content is for educational purpose only. If you are using the content for trading, then take the help of investment professional. So first, let me come to the FII and FPI positions in the market. So FIIs on 29th March have sold 7,325 crores and they have purchased 7,360. So net to net they are neutral. So FIIs are neutral in the market, whereas the DIIs have pumped in 1,713 crores. DIIs are long in the market and they are very optimistic, whereas FIIs are still not very optimistic. So yesterday Nifty was in a trading range. So now let me come to the Nifty open interest positions. So first let me, so Nifty open interest. Yeah, now you can see on the screen the open interest tracker. So first let me go to the open interest. So you can see at 17,500, at 17,500. So at this level, there is the highest call build up, and if you see on the put side, uh, the highest build up is at around 17,000 highest build up, but next highest build up is at around 17,200. So 17,200 is going to be a major support, and even there is put build up at around 17,300. So net to net maximum pain is at 17,500 on the higher side and 17,200 on the lower side. And let me come to the change in open interest tracker. So change in open interest, okay. So you can see the highest change on the put side, you can see at 17,400, which means 17,400 puts are written today. So 17,000 put is going to be a major support. Today there was a big gap up, so 17,400 is a big support, and you can see 17,300 calls are exited. So which is a sign that market is going higher. Now let me come to the put call ratio. Yeah, so you can see on the screen the put call ratio, and the current put call ratio, PCR, this is put call ratio in comparison to Nifty. So Nifty is here, red line indicates Nifty. So this is Nifty. So put call ratio has compared to yesterday, it has fallen somewhere around 0.992. So 0.992 is the put to call ratio. So almost neutral. It is not suggesting any big thing. So now very important part in my presentation is, so let me come to the Nifty chart first. So Nifty chart. So there was a huge gap up today in the morning. You can see the first red candle, huge gap up. The market opened with the huge gap up and did not sustain, and currently the market is trading at around 17,419. So markets are trading exactly at the resistance level, that is 17,411. Yeah. So now if you see if the market sustain this level, then there is a chance of markets touching 17,600 levels. Yesterday SGX Nifty was indicating this level. There is a chance that market can touch 17,600, but if the markets do not sustain 17,411 level, the market can fall to 17,373. So that is Nifty, and pivot is placed at around 17,304. So markets are going to be very volatile today. If there is a fall in the markets, you can buy the fall, yeah, and wait for a target of 17,600. But if the markets fall below 17,373, then be cautious. Yeah, then markets can go all the way to the pivot. So there is a chance. And supports are placed at around 17,304. Then next support is around 17,268, and the next major support is around 17,200. So since there was a gap up today, markets are trading now in a small range. Yeah, if they sustain, there is a chance that they can go all the way to this morning side. So morning's first candle made a very big high, so they can go there. Okay, so now let me come to the Nifty Bank chart. So Nifty Bank chart is on the screen before you. Now there was a huge gap up in Nifty Bank today, so you can see the gap. Yeah, I will mark the gap. So big gap. So big gap. So if I mark the gap here, so this is the gap, and now markets are currently trading at around 36,001. So the dotted lines are 36,151. So what should be your strategy today? Yeah, markets opened higher, almost touched 36,200. So this is the highest point, 36,200. So now they are in a small range. So if the market sustain this level, what is the level they sustain? That is 36,092. There is a chance that they can go all the way up to 36,258. Yeah, even they can go higher if they sustain above 3692, and if the markets start trading below 3692, they can fall all the way to 35,803. So that is the pivot level, and if the markets break 35,742 level, then you have to be cautious. They can go all the way up to 35,637, and the next support is around 35,349. So what should be your strategy for Bank Nifty today? So Bank Nifty, on falls you need to buy for a target of around 36,400, but be very cautious. If they fall below 35,803, that is a pivot, then you should exit your long position. So that is all from Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. If you are new to trading and if you are interested in opening accounts, I recommend you to open your trading account and demat account with the Upstock. So if you are interested, there is a link provided in my description. So please click the link and do all the requirement, and Upstock representatives will help you in opening the account. So thank you for watching this episode. Hope you will have a very good trading day. Thank you.